next value chain activity is deliver and support. The purpose of deliver and support value chain activity is to ensure that services are delivered and supported according to the agreed specification and stakeholder expectation. If you see from an ITIL V3 perspective, this is where the service operation life cycle comes into it. The service has gone live, so how are you going to ensure that the services are delivered and supported according to the agreed specifications and stakeholder expectations? In this activity, you create data about incident, service request, event, and other performance data that is used to identify potential service improvement. The improve, engage, and plan activity extensively use this data. The input for delivery and support activities are the product and services, right? The whole product and services. As part of the design and transition, we have designed it, and as part of the next life cycle activities, obtain and build, we have made sure like whether we obtain it or we build that, right? Contract and agreement with external and internal suppliers and partners provided by Engage. Service component, we have the exact service component which we need to provide service. Improvement initiatives and plans. Improvement status reports. Right? Knowledge and information becomes one of the key input as far as deliver and support activities are concerned. And output, the service delivered to the customers and users. As I said, the service is up and running, so it's going to be, we have to make sure that we have all the information about the users and to support them. Right? Product and service performance information, improvement opportunities. Right? The service is up and running, so we have all the data. We collect all the data and we make sure whether what are the improvements which is needed. Right? And once again, contract and agreement requirement. Whatever we have signed with the third parties or with an internal organization, we make sure that we are aligned to that, or if not, like what are some of the improvement activities which needs to work towards that. Change request, right? Change request. Once the service is up and running, there may be some changes which may be required. So how are we going to handle that particular change? So change engagement practice comes into effectively work towards that. Service performance information is very quite critical because we observe the performance over here. The services are up and running. So we make sure the services data are collected for future improvements. A quick summary of service value chain and its activities. The service value chain is the central to the service value system and outlines the key activities of plan, improve, engage, design and transition, obtain and build, and deliver and support. These activities are the steps an organization takes to facilitate value co-creation. They transform specific inputs which can come from other activities or from demand outside the value chain into outputs. They are connected to and interact with one another as part of a larger value streams designed to carry out specific task or response to specific situation. The plan value chain activity works to ensure a shared understanding of the vision, current status, and the improvement directions for all product and services across an organization. The improve value chain activity works to ensure that products, services, and practices are continuously improved across all value chain activities and the dimension of service management. The engage value chain activities works to provide a good understanding of stakeholder needs and promotes transparency, continual engagement, and good relationship with all stakeholders. The design and transition value chain activity works to ensure that product and services continuously meet stakeholder expectation for quality, cost, and time to market. The obtain and build value chain actively works to ensure that service components are available when and where needed, and that they meet agreed upon specifications. The last activity, the deliver and support value chain activity, works to ensure that services are delivered and supported according to the agreed upon specification and expectations.